So when you try to connect to the VPN on your Cisco Secure client, you may come across this error where it says Cisco Secure client was not able to establish a connection to the specified secure gateway. Please try connecting again. And when you click on OK, this is the second error you will see. And this is actually what's really causing the problem. VPN establishment capability for a remote user is disabled. A VPN connection will not be established. So all we need to do is make sure that the capability for a remote user to establish a VPN connection is enabled. And how do we do that? Let's check it out. Right from the Cisco Secure Access dashboard, we'll try to go to the VPN profile that the end user is trying to connect to. We go to Connect End User Connectivity, and then we go ahead and click on VPN, the Virtual Private Network that we should see, the second option right here, right? And so once we click on it, we'll go ahead and click on Edit for the VPN profile that we're interested in. So I click on a VPN virtual private network, and this is the page I land on. Let's say, for example, I'm interested in the first VPN profile, and that's the profile the end user is trying to connect to, the network Viking. So I'm going to go ahead and click on these three dots right here and click on Edit. Let's see. All right, from here, what we need to do is we need to reach this point, and this is where we need to make the configuration changes. Cisco Secure Client configuration. So right now we're at general settings. We do next, and then this is the point where we need to reach. So I'm going to click on next, and all right, I've reached the last part of the configuration, which is the fourth step, as you can see right here. The configuration that I'm interested in is this one, client settings. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on client settings. Now here, you need to click on edit that you see right here, right? And this is the settings we're looking for. Windows VPN establishment. It should be changed to all remote users. So let me just go ahead and click on edit, and then go to administrator settings, expand this section right here, and the configuration is right here, Windows VPN establishment. I've already selected all remote users, and this is what you need to change it to, all remote users. Once you change it to all remote users, you should be good and the error should be gone. But make sure you click on save and then go ahead and save the profile as well. That's pretty much it. In case you're still facing any issues, even after making these changes, let me know in the comments section. I'll be very happy to help. And yeah, you guys have a great day. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Thanks. Goodbye.